Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Teacher Sheng again. And for today's video, I'm going to share Chinese online ESL companies nga nag-hiring karon. So these companies are offering fixed salary with or without students. So Speed is looking for experienced Filipino home-based ESL teachers. Audio class only. So, dili na ka magamit sa imong webcam kay audio class ang ilahang gi-offer. So students are Chinese, all ages and levels. Schedule Monday to Saturday, 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. Fixed schedule, no part-timers. So all materials are provided. Now for the technical requirements, desktop or laptop computer, at least i3 equivalent processor with 4G RAM, stable while wired internet connection at least 30 Mbps, quiet workstation, and then noise canceling headset. Now, applicants must be with at least 2 years ESL teaching experience, able to teach both beginners to advanced students, neutral to near American accent. Now, their salary starting basic pay is 15,000 to or 16,000 with or without students. So meaning to say fixed salary. And then they will also give bonuses and incentives. Monthly perfect attendance bonus equals 2,400 per class incentive, 30 pesos for 7 classes if full a day. Thus can earn roughly 20,000 to 22,000 monthly. 13-month bonus, birthday bonus 1,000 pesos, and then paid by monthly through GCash or any local bank. Now, how to apply in this company? So send your updated resume and a clear audio recording of your self-introduction to this email: mdgonzalez082022 at gmail.com. So I will put this one in my description box. So kindly visit to my description box. And then please make sure it's an audio file. So ang imuhang introduction video kay audio file, dili video. Okay? So if it passes the initial screening, we'll send you an email of for an initial interview. So no need to send a PM or follow up. Please just follow the instructions. So again, you just need to send your resume and clear audio recording of your self introduction to this email account. So again, I will put their email in my description box. Next company is KL Online English. Now, KL Online English is looking for part-time and full-time home-based online ESL teachers. So requirements can work 6 days a week. Working hours for full time, 3 p.m. to 11 p.m. And then for part time, 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. with a good internet connection, at least 3 Mbps. And then workstation, laptop or desktop. Have a backup power or backup data. And then preferably with teaching experience, must be patient, energetic, and honest. Now for their perks, guys, kay booked and unbooked classes are paid, stress-free working environment with bonuses including electricity allowance, increased in salary after probation, and then performance bonus. Now, now how to apply in this company? Just send your resume to work with us at kl20 at gmail.com. So please, ang ibutang ninyo sa inyong email subject if you are going to send your resume. So email subject, guys, is home-based online ESL application, or you can also click the link to apply. So I will put this one in my description box. So please visit it if you want to apply. So that's all, everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and I would say now goodbye. Have a good day. Hello, teachers! Do you want to be an English teacher abroad, especially in these countries? Well, isa sa mga requirements nga imong kuhaon is TESOL Certificate. Now, asa ka pwede makakuha sa imuhang TESOL certificate? Well, I will recommend to you this TESOL Mentor International. So, TESOL Mentor International is a TESOL provider in the Philippines. They provide online course. Their course was accredited in the Netherlands by International Council for Online Educational Standards, or ICOS, a Dutch-based organization with regard to high-quality content, procedure, and measurable learning outcomes of online education. Here are the inclusions if you want to enroll here: 150-hour TESOL digital certificate, C1 or C2 certificate assistance, detailed course transcript, and list of direct employers in Vietnam. Free help to apply. So what are you waiting for? Start your journey at TESOL Mentor International.